How to add credit card as payment method on Shopify. So I'm on the home page of Shopify, and here from the left hand side we just want to click on settings, which will give us the option to select payments here in the 5th slot. Once we click on payments, then we can choose a provider here for our payments. So if we click on choose a provider, then you will be able to see some different providers. Obviously here we can see debit cards as well as credit cards right here. If you cannot find credit cards directly, then we will just search for credit. And you can see this ADN payments credit cards. So just click on it and it will give us some more information about how this works, and we have to click on install. Now once we click on install, this will take us to this page and we have to just agree to the permissions here, and I'll show you how it's going to look like as well. So it will look a little something like just give it some time to load here. So it will look a little something like this, and we can authorize our agent accounts like so, as well as a test account if we want to test it out. But basically you will click on authorize with Aiden, and here you will create an account or you will log in with your account here. And basically through that way we will have successfully added credit cards to our Shopify payments. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.